In this video, I'm going to solve equations with constants on both sides of the equal sign. Remember, when we're solving an equation, we're trying to figure out the value of the variable. And we want to isolate that, meaning having it on one side of the equal sign and everything else on the other side. If we look at this first problem, we have 3x plus 6 equals negative 21. You can see that we have a constant on both sides of the equal sign. We're also multiplying an amount to the variable. This is considered a multi-step equation because to solve for x, we have to utilize or apply two different properties of equality. Now we're going to go ahead and look at what's going on. We've got 3 times x, and we're adding 6. To solve for x, we're actually going to subtract 6 from both sides and then divide by 3 on both sides. Instead of following order of operations where we multiply or divide before we add or subtract, when we're solving an equation, we're going to do the opposite. So in this case, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. I'm left with 3x equals negative 27. Now I have 3x equals negative 27. That's 3 times x. So I'll divide by 3 on both sides. These will cancel, and I'm left with x equals negative 9. To be sure that I got the right solution, I'm going to plug in my answer into the original equation. Instead of 3x, I've got 3 times negative 9 plus 6. Does this equal negative 21? 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. If I add 6, I'm really subtracting, and since 27 is the higher number, it's going to be a negative 21. Negative 21 is equal to negative 21. Therefore, this is the solution. Let's look at this second problem. We have 5x minus 2 equals 37. Again, we're going to do the add-subtract first before the multiply or divide. In this case, we're going to add 2 to both sides. $5x will come down. These cancel. 37 plus 2 is 39. Now I'm going to divide by 5. And I'm going to be left with 39 fifths. As a mixed number, that's going to be 7 and 4 fifths. To check my solution, I'm going to plug in 39 fifths into the original equation. That's going to be 5 over 1 times 39 fifths minus 2 equals 37. And we want to make sure we get the same 37 on the left side. These two are going to cancel, and I'm left with 39 minus 2. 39 minus 2 is 37. Because these two are the same, my solution is 7 and 4 fifths.